Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Edge 40 and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and then we have to scroll down in order to find digital well-being and parental controls. So as you can see, here we've got this graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. As you can see, I've got less than 1 minute. It is because I've just force restarted it, so it just resetted. However, you can see kind of the idea here. You will see the graph which will be divided between the apps which you've been using. You can also check the dashboards, so just tap inside this graph and you will be transferred to this dashboard of the screen time. You can also tap directly on one app, so in my case of course settings, but it will be divided between different apps, and you can check some details about this particular app, which is quite cool. You've got also the unlock and the notifications count. Alright, so this is it, that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.